Hey, let me show you what you can do if your Redmi Note 15 is not reading your SIM card. So first of all, I will definitely try to take it off just like this, and I will just take a look on this SIM pins, and you can actually clean them by using the microfiber cloth, for example. And you have to also make sure that you put this properly. So what I mean, you have to just apply this slot just like this, with this hole on the left side. And make sure that your SIM card is not above the frame of your SIM tray. So this should be completely flat. Now we can just put it gently, like so. There we go. Make sure that it's also fully inside this SIM tray, that it's not coming out from that device frame. And in most cases, as you can see, when you put it back, you should be able to input the SIM pin code. And as you can see, now our SIM card is properly detected, and we can even find some SIM card settings. And in my case, the second SIM card is not working because I didn't actually top up my SIM card. The SIM card just expired. And this is the reason why it's not working right now. If I'm gonna open my mobile networks, I can find its number and some settings, but it's not actually reading the SIM card because it's not top up. And also you can simply try to perform a reset of your mobile network settings. So by going here, you have to go for the reset options, and you can try to simply select a SIM card that you want to reset by clicking here and inputting your screen password. You have to click OK, and now let's check if it works. As you can see, in my case, it's still not working because, as I said before, I didn't top up my SIM card. And the ultimate way, you can try to swap your SIM cards and put them into another device. So you can simply check this SIM card in the second phone. So you can basically check if the problem is with your phone or with a SIM card. And if the problem is with your phone, you can actually perform a hard reset, the factory reset actually, by going just over here. And before you perform that reset, I will highly recommend you to remove your SIM cards and the memory cards from your phone, because you will have lost all of your data, including data on your memory cards and the SIM cards. That's all for this video. I hope you find it useful.